Good morning internet. Welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to unbox iPhone XR case, which is from X Level, and the price is $2. So here are the silent features. Number 1 is anti-slip, number 2 is anti-dust, and it's 0.8mm thin. So it's in black in color. So without wasting time, let's just unbox and see what we have in the box. So let's start unboxing. So it's the case. It's black in color. It's a shiny black, and it's 0.8mm thin, and it's very lightweight, and it can be applied to any iPhone XR. Most probably the two colors will be most prominent. One is of course the black, another one is the white, because it compares with and it matches with the skin, and it's very light. It's very light, and it has a good grip, and as per this price, $2, we have a very good quality. And at the back it has a camera bump which can protect the camera lens, and at the bottom it has holes for the ports, the speaker ports, microphone, and the lightning cable. And yeah, that's it. So it's pretty much very good case. And yes, so yeah, thanks for watching.